This is my beautiful model, Bailey. I am Hair.com ambassador, Bradley Leake, and I'm here to share with you guys how to create some Undone Cool Girl waves. We're prepping the hair with Mizani Miracle Milk. This is great to smooth, detangle, and get the hair ready for any heat styling. I'm blow drying the hair in, and we're gonna clip off the top section. I'm going to add Matrix's Medium Hold Extra Full Volumizing Spray. This is going to help protect the hair and prep it for any heat styling as well as hold. I'm using the Steam Pod from L'Oreal to create this Undone Cool Girl texture. As you can see, I am alternating the iron over, under, and repeating this process down the hair strand. This creates volume, movement, and a texture that is not too done, which is the reason why I absolutely love it. I love the Steam Pod because you can work in nice, thick sections, so this is great if you have thick, full hair. I'm clipping back the bangs and repeating this process around the head, spraying each section with the Medium Hold Extra Full Volumizing Spray and working around the head. As we get towards the bangs, we're gonna twist them away from the face, and then we are going to use a no crease clip to help accentuate the facial features and shape and form the bangs to the style of our liking. Finish the look with Kerastase Ultime Hair Oil. This is going to add shine, separation, and the perfect cool girl texture. We're finishing the look with more of the texturizing spray and also using Redken's dry texture spray for fluff. There you have it, a cool ungirl texture that is sure to turn heads on campus. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow Hair by Bradley Leake and Hair.com.